Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts out there. If you're an adventurer, hiker, or just someone who wants to stay dry in the rain, you're going to love our featured product today. We believe it's the best rain pants for backpacking you can find on the market. Let's dive right into it. Introducing the 33,000 feet men's rain pants. These waterproof and windproof outdoor pants are a game changer for anyone who loves hiking, fishing, or any outdoor activity, rain or shine. Let's break down what makes these pants stand out from the rest. First and foremost, these rain pants are made with the highest quality materials. The shell is 100% nylon, while the mesh lining is 100% polyester, providing durability and comfort. Plus, they're incredibly easy to care for. Just toss them in the washing machine. But here's where it gets exciting. The 33,000 feet rain pants feature advanced technology. The waterproof fabric is fully seam sealed and welded with a TPU membrane, ensuring excellent waterproof protection. With a waterproof rating of 5,000 millimeters, you can trust these pants to keep you dry even in heavy rain. Now, let's talk about the design. These pants come with a fully elasticated waistband with a drawstring, allowing you to customize the fit around your waist. And check this out, 2 zipped pockets with flaps for added privacy and convenience. These pants truly have it all. One feature that sets these rain pants apart is the half-leg zipper. It makes it super easy to put them on over your footwear, saving you time and hassle on the trail. And the Velcro closure at the bottom leg allows you to adjust the width for different fits and occasions. Safety is key during outdoor activities, and these pants have you covered. The reflective piping slit ensures high visibility during your adventures, even in low light conditions. But don't just take my word for it. Check out these fantastic customer reviews. These pants have a 4.4-star rating with over 2,900 reviews. People are raving about how well they work and their excellent value. And here's a bonus: they come in different colors, including classic black, gray, army green, and navy, so you can choose the one that suits your style. So, there you have it, folks, the 33,000 feet men's rain pants, the best rain pants for backpacking and outdoor adventures. With their waterproof, windproof, and breathable design, these pants are a must-have in your outdoor gear collection. If you want to stay dry and comfortable on your next hike, fishing trip, or any outdoor excursion, click the link in the description below to grab your pair today. Don't let the rain ruin your adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Stay dry out there, and until next time, happy adventuring.